So hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we came to the birds park. I will show you one second. They are all real, not penguins. They are all real. Look at there. You are telling what is that? No, they are the rocks. So let's go forward. And the squirrel. Oh my god. So let's go forward. So there.
See the water fountain.
There is the water fountain. And it's so tall there. So now let's go forward. There's some more here. That's so big. Mummy, that's real hai. Real hai. Look at that there. They're swans. Look at that there. How pretty. So nice. So now, there we go. And there's the water fountain. Ooh, the duck is swimming here. That is so fast raining water fountain. Now there are some more here. They are sleeping now, but it's okay. One duck just came out. I'm so scared. That's why I will go. And there is the real one. Various water birds. Soft birds are there. This many types of birds. So bye friends. We will meet you in next video. Bye bye.